If you were to act in another biopic, who would you choose?
I wouldn't do a biopic. Everybody's doing a biopic today.
Milab Zaveri is any day sexier than Nora Fatehi.
So false.
So false.
So false.
So false. So false.
even if you take Nora Fatehi out, Milab Zaveri is any day sexier also false.
My God.
Okay, so I think Vicky Kaushal.
Okay. All right.
Because I'll tell you, a lot of, I mean, he deserves a lot of credit. Coming from where he has come and proving a point, which is fantastic. So I give him all the credit, yeah.
Definitely. Any three ways, according to you, we can end terrorism completely?
You cannot. There are different kinds of terrorism, so you cannot end terrorism.
John Abraham can do anything in his film except
Adult comedy.
one thing that only women can do, you wish you could do.
Pout. And only you can do.
What, according to you, is the biggest misconception about you amongst media?
That I'm a model and I can't act.
What movie title describes your life?
Simple.
Simple. If you could bring back any trend from the past, what would it be?
I think the bell bottoms.
If you got to interview one politician, who would it be?
I'd like to interview a lot of them actually, but right now, Yogi Adityanath.
Why?
Number of reasons. Because UP is where all the action is right now.
A movie that you wish you had been in?
No. I'm okay. I have no regrets. I've been offered a lot, never made it public, but I never have regrets not being in a film.
One actor from the current generation who you think is the actor for the future?
Name?
Actor, star, anything that name is something that if you could name.
I think Ranbir Kapoor. Yeah, I think from the present generation, Ranbir. Is he present generation or he's also one
Now
generation?
he's on the verge of
Past generation. अच्छा, so present में कौन है?
राजकुमार राव है, विकी कौशल है.
I think
Ishan Khattar has just come.
ईशान खट्टर.
Okay, so I think Vicky Kaushal.
Okay. All right.
Because I'll tell you, a lot of, I mean, he deserves a lot of credit. Coming from where he has come and proving a point, which is fantastic. So I give him all the credit, yeah.
Definitely. Craziest fan experience you've ever had?
There's some special experiences which you really wouldn't want to say on camera.
Okay. Like someone coming and kissing you or something like that?
No, just some sweet experiences, you know, that people do that are very private, you know, that you really wouldn't want to talk about, and it's embarrassing. It would be embarrassing for the person who's done it. So you really wouldn't want to speak about it.
If you have to give something to Mr. Narendra Modi?
What will I give him?
A chewing gum? Yeah. Chewing gum, just. Well, time pass. Please sir, time pass करो आप.
I think
मतलब ऐसे किसी को दे दिया, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा जो बिजी रहता है उसको कहे कि आप ज़्यादा कुछ मत सोचो ये.
I think if I have to give something to Mr. Modi, I'd give him Parmanu to watch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, really honestly, I'd give him Parmanu to watch.
Okay.
It's a film for the people of India.
Once again advertised this to the.
No, I'll give him Satyameva Jayate.
Also,
You know why? Why Satyameva Jayate? Just to see the angst of the people is growing, and they are, you know, they are tearing tired. So please correct the corruption issue in this
Basically,
country.
you also have the dialogue as well, Achhe Din and all those.
सच में अच्छे दिन आ गए.
Yeah. All right. Okay, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, if you have to gift something to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, what would you gift him?
I think I'd gift him an office so he doesn't in the future sit outside his own office and protest.
Okay, all right. Ye ya wo? Okay. Mutton biryani or chicken biryani?
I don't eat non-vegetarian.
I thought so. Earlier you used
You
to.
can go for pulao, vegetable pulao.
Okay.
Brown rice pulao.
Okay. When was the first time you broke a bone in your body?
Think 2003.
2003. Okay. A character you played that's closest to your heart besides the one in Rocky Handsome?
No smoking. His name was K. And he says, nobody messes with K.
I think it was, now when you look back,
I love No Smoking. It's probably my second most favorite film after Madras Cafe.
I would like to work with Anurag Kashyap once again.
Totally. I told him to make No Smoking Part 2. I said everybody makes sequels out of hit films. Why don't we do it out of a flop?
If you were to act in another biopic, who would you choose?
I wouldn't do a biopic. Everybody's doing a biopic today.
Okay.
It's a trend now. It's become a trend.
Okay, one film you want to remake.
I don't want to remake any film right now. Any Hindi film?
Anything. Hindi, English, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not for
I'm not for a
remaking,
remake. Yeah.
एक बार हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, हटा
Right,
दो।
right. Okay, true or false? True or false? Following statements. Since the time I've seen Aligarh, I wanted to tell Manoj that आपको देखकर कुछ होता है.
Seriously, after watching Aligarh, I have a crush on him. Because I think he's a.
That's true.
I think he's a. Did you win the national award for that, Aligarh?
Filmfare or something like that.
No, not. I'm
For
talking about
national awards,
serious
there
awards.
was quite a hue and cry.
Because I think honestly, he deserved every award in the world for that film.
Yeah.
It's fantastic, and I was so moved by that. I think I told you immediately
Yeah,
when
you
I saw
told
it.
me,
I
yeah.
told him. So
Right. Milab Zaveri is any day sexier than Nora Fatehi.
so false.
So false.
So false.
So false. So false.
even if you take Nora Fatehi out, Milab Zaveri is any day sexier also is false.
My God.
What do you have that other superstars in Bollywood don't?
I think I'm too big.
Like physically or
No,
metaphorically?
physically. I mean, there's metaphorically, not metaphorically, physically. Let's put it that way, physically. I have a big heart. I'm a soft guy.
What would be your reaction in the following situations? You wake up in the morning and realize that bikes have been banned.
Bikes have been banned.
Yeah.
I wouldn't wake up. I really wouldn't.
A historical character that you'd like to portray.
There's so many that, honestly, there's so many that I've researched. But I'd say the one intriguing character, maybe I wouldn't portray him, would be Subhash Chandra Bose.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That should be interesting.
Yeah, it's really, really exciting. Another interesting historical character, since we're talking, that I'd love to portray, is Nathuram Godse.
Oh.
Yeah. Because if I said Gandhi, it would be regular. But if I say Godse, then it's a film by J Entertainment. You know?
All right. Hero वर्दी से नहीं इरादे से बनते हैं. One person that comes in your mind when you hear this.
I think a lot of people that I met, like I met a gentleman called People Baba in Delhi. He's planted 2 crore trees. He's a hero for me. I met some Vardi people also, like in CRPF, who fought the Naxalites. But I think generally the people that come to my mind, irade se bante, I think the biggest hero in my life is my mother.
Oh, wow.
Because she does social work without really screaming about it. Like how we actors scream about everything, no? We do. Trying to look nice in everybody's eyes and wanting to look lovely and all. My mother does it, and she told me one thing. She thinks, son, a person's character comes in front when he does things and doesn't talk about it.
Yeah.
Which is why we don't talk about what we do.